When I drop my car off at the Knights, it always feels like my car is in good hands. I'm never worried that something wrong is gonna happen while it's here.
We can call them at any time. It's always a first name basis. It's, I need to do this. It's an emergency. Can you fit me in?
They're honest, they're good mechanics, and they are just a lovely family.
I'm an emergency room nurse, and so I can't work remotely, so I need a reliable car.
I rely on my car to get me to work, run errands, and just be able to do things on the go.
To get to work, to pick up the kids from school, to go visit the kids in college. It's just super important to have a car.
One time when I was down the shore, my car actually started making some sounds, started panicking, didn't know what to do. I called Knights Automotive. They told me, get your car towed here and we'll look at it right away.
They've lent me cars while my car was getting fixed.
Dead battery, they'll come out, jump it, they'll send somebody out.
It was a simple fix with a linkage C-clamp, and off I went back to work and doing my thing.
So I think the thing that makes Knights different for me is just the quality of the people that work here. It's really a family business, and you feel like family when you walk in here.
What sets them apart is, in my opinion, their professionalism.
I feel like they care about the customers. I feel like they're just very kind.
I've never had any bad experience here. It's always just a great job on my car.
I believe that they have our best interest in mind. I have 100% confidence in it.
Every car we've ever had comes in here, and we get every piece of work done through them.
I feel like I can always trust what they have to say. They're never trying to push the limits and make you spend extra money.
I feel almost like they're my second family.